What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Ggives in Shopee. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, you just need to select your payment method after in the checkout. Now, in the payment options, select payment center slash e-wallet and then simply select Gcash as a payment method. And then in the Gcash, you will be able to tap on confirm and then simply tap on place order to place your order. However, in the Gcash, this is how it will look. If you tap on Gcash, this is how you will see. You just have to enter your phone number. Now, after entering your phone number, tap on next, and then it will take you to this page. Here you have to enter your code which you got into your phone number. Just enter that code and then tap on next. Now, enter your 4-digit M PIN, which should be your phone PIN. Now, entering the phone PIN, you just have to tap on next, and there you go. You will be able to see an option for G is right here. Well, unfortunately, the Gcash or Ggives is not available in the Shopee anymore. However, it was available and it is available in some of the regions. So you should just keep on, you just give it a try. It might be available in your region and you might be able to pay using Ggives. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.